Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and hardware. Give camera, microphone, and storage access so media can be recorded and saved. Once done, mount the phone and connect any external mic or gimbal to stabilize audio and image. This reduces noise and shake. Then open the Blackmagic camera app and immediately set your project frame rate and resolution for consistent clips. Make sure to choose the right aspect ratio. That determines crop and monitoring guides while you record. Now you take control of exposure and focus so shots look intentional. Switch to manual exposure and set shutter, ISO, and white balance to avoid the app auto-changing mid-take. This keeps motion and color consistent. Then use focus peaking and the magnify tool to lock sharp focus on your subject. Also enable waveform or histogram to monitor highlights and shadows. That helps you prevent clipped whites and crushed blacks. Once adjusted, save the preset for repeatable setups. You now record with confidence. Hit record, place markers or notes so edits are faster, and watch audio levels and waveform during the take to catch issues early. After stopping, review the clip and playback to confirm exposure, focus, and audio sync. Make small adjustments and re-record if necessary. If things go wrong, restart the app first, then recheck permissions and connected hardware. If performance lags, lower the encoding bitrate or resolution to prevent dropped frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.